how to pause Discord server invites. So for that, open up your Google or your Chrome browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And after that, search for Discord. And on the first search, you will have discord.com. Click on that. And then on the upper right corner, you will have Open Discord. Click on Open Discord. And then here, after opening Discord and after opening your server, click on your server and then you will have server settings. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on server settings, and here if you scroll down, you will find invites. Click on invites. So for now I don't have any invites. So if you want to pause your invites, you will have an option which says pause invites. Then you can simply click on pause invites and your invites will be paused. So that's it guys, that's how you pause invites on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.